4, 5, 6, 5. Go number 5, 6. Open. Don't worry. 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Let's go, guys. Bye, Jay. Please take a photo, pass around, okay? So one is Yehliu Geopark, one is Jiufeng Old Street. Please take a photo. And also another side right here is the colors of a lantern. Also take a photo, alright? So pass around, take a photo. Alright, so for Yehliu Geopark, if you didn't buy the ticket, don't worry because we do need the entrance of the ticket for Yehliu Geopark. If you haven't booked yet, that's okay. We have a several group today, so I don't want you guys queue over there, buy the ticket, waste your time. Don't do that, okay? So you guys can pay to Ken, I'll buy for you guys. That's the easiest way, alright? So alright, so normally in zone 2 there's a lot of people right over there want to take photo with the queen. So here's a little tips for you. If you want to take photo with the queen but you don't want to join the queue right over there, you can go through behind. You can go through behind, but just be very careful. The rocks always up and down all the time. So when you're walking on there, please do not keep taking photo and video. That's very dangerous. Not only about yourself, but also about other people. Okay, so we arrive at Yehliu Geopark very soon.
Second station.
See you later.
Thank you.
si Rizal, oh. Nakarating din pala si Rizal dito. Sa inyo ang queen. Ay, may pila. Ayun siguro. Tumanipis na nila. Nag-iisa na lang. Higa ka dyan. Ano siya? Cute princess? Saan ang cute? Rock formation. Ano ng dagat? Naabot ba ng dagat ito dati or ano yan, Han? Konti na lang dahon niya sa taas. Ito ano kaya ito? Makulay. Yung mga bahay dito, no? Swerte nila, no? Pwede ka
Pero lapit sila sa dagat.
Pwede ka magtinda sa malamig. Toilet. Aro?
Alright, so guys, if you've done a photo, you're getting back to the bus. Alright guys, if you finished a photo, let's get back to the bus and go to the Golden Waterfall. over here, come over here, 1 second, come over here. Let's go! Cross the road, guys, cross the road. Cross the road.
Nice. Ito lang.